guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Anna here, of course. So today's video, as you saw by the title below, is a video I've been wanting to do for quite some time, which is share my top 5 fragrances just for the average woman. While most like kind of luxury based perfumes are expensive and they can be upwards of like $400, I try to stay in like the $75 to like $100 and something range. And also I ask for them for gifts, so Valentine's Day, birthday, but I also don't branch out a lot. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a subscription service that I recently became aware of. So if you guys want to see what my favorite fragrances are, then please stay tuned. Okay, so the service that I want to share with you guys really quick is called Luxury Scent Box, or Luxsb for short. And first off, I want to thank them for reaching out to me. Oh, I love the fact that this subscription service gives you the choice to pick from fragrances that you might want to try out before you take the big plunge and buy something that's $100 or maybe even $200, $300 sometimes for a full-size bottle. This gives you kind of like that sense of like assurance that, okay, this is gonna work with me, it's gonna smell really well and everything like that. So Lux Scent Box is only $15 a month, and there is a premium plan that is $18 a month, which gives you access to a few more niche fragrances out there. One other good thing about the plan is that it is a month-to-month subscription, so you can cancel it at any time. You can choose your fragrances, or you can take a quiz, which is really nice, and a specialist will choose your fragrances for you each month based on what your results were from the quiz. I did mention a couple of fragrances that I liked, and then I also had them choose the fragrances that they thought would kind of smell that I would like. So I think that's really neat feature. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks when they send it to you. So this is how the packaging looks. I did go ahead and open it, but this is how it looks. It just has Luxsb on the front of it. The perfumes come in these boxes like this, and it also comes with this card on the inside and this bag. So this is for you to just stick your fragrance in, and you can throw it in your bag. It is 0.3 fluid ounces, which is actually pretty big. You guys are going to see here in a minute. But this card tells you how to use it, and you get a reusable case with it, and it just tells you how to use it and how to pop in your refill each time. So I like that they include this in the packaging as well. So this is how your packaging will look. You just twist it up and twist it down. It's really simple and easy. Once you twist it up, you just pop out the fragrance, and there it is. This is the Amouroude, I think it's Amouroude Dark Orchid perfume. So let's see how this smells. And did I say Dark Orchid? I meant Dark Orchid. You guys, it's been a long day. Okay. This does have like that very floral, kind of like a deep, warm floral scent. The name is very descriptive of the perfume. It does smell like a very dark floral perfume, very dark scent. The next one that I got really quickly is the one that I really like using, and this is the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. So I actually told them that this was one of my favorite perfumes, and you guys are going to see that in a few minutes, but they actually sent this one to me, and this smells really good. It's just that very light floral scent. It's not very overpowering. Like, it's still like, it's not something that you're gonna smell like really, really strongly, but if I walk by, you're still gonna smell it. It's like the perfect springtime scent to me. It's like it just smells like fresh air, fresh florals. So I love this Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. And then the last one that I got was, this one's called Mancera Instant Crush, and let's see how this one smells. That smells really good. It smells very similar to something. I almost want to say White Diamond. If you guys have smelled that perfume, I don't know exactly. I'm not very good at describing perfumes, but I would wear every single one of these perfumes. I'm very confident in the fact that based on perfumes that I mentioned and perfumes that I really like, either, you know, if I chose each time, that's different. But if I just had a specialist choose for me, I'm very confident that I would get something that I really like. So Luxsb was nice enough to hook you guys up with a promo code. It will be down in the description box below, but it is Tiana J Beauty, and you get 35% off your first month. So that means your first month will only be $9.75. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you guys about my favorite 5 fragrances that I love right now. And again, these are like average. Depending on your price range and your budget for a perfume, you're probably going to say, oh, I'm not going to spend $90 on a perfume. And that's perfectly fine because I completely understand. The first one that I'm going to mention to you guys is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. So I did originally have the Bright Crystal perfume, and this one's just like a notch up. It's like the next level of that one. So it smells a little bit stronger. It lasts a little bit longer. And it smells really good. Like, I think it was my second luxury perfume that I got for a gift, and it's just like a really good starter perfume. One of the good things about a lot of these perfumes is, of course, you can go to Ulta, Sephora, and get these perfumes. Like, this one probably runs for $75. These, again, another tip is check out your local TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because sometimes these perfumes are discounted. And the next perfume that I'm going to mention is one that I got from Marshalls, and it was only $35. But this one is really, really nice. And if you are someone who hasn't tried out the Versace Bright Crystal perfume, you can start there and just try that one out. Or if you want something a little bit stronger, and you like the Bright Crystal already, then I say give the Absolute a shot, because you're not going to be disappointed. The next perfume that I want to mention that I really love is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Sunshine perfume. So I was telling you guys that the subscription service sent me the Marc Jacobs Daisy original perfume, and I did try that one out, and I got it as a gift. Again, I did, and it was really good. Like, I really liked it. This one has just a little bit of a different smell. So it is the yellow bottle. The Marc Jacobs Daisy has the white Daisy, I believe. I think it's white. And then it's like a clear bottle. And this one's just all yellow. So this one smells sweeter than the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. That one has like that very light floral scent, which I really love. But this one has like a sweeter scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it just has like a very sweet scent to it. So I'm going to spray it. Like I said, I got it from Marshalls. It was only it was either $30 or $35. And this would normally retail for probably about $75 to $80, because this is the full size bottle of this perfume. And I got it for about $35. So definitely recommend trying out Marshalls and stuff, because you cannot go wrong, especially if you're looking for a perfume of this nature. Like, if you're looking for something that you would see at Ulta and Sephora. But I love this perfume. It smells really good. It's just a different take on the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume if you already have that one. One of my next very sexy, warm fragrance perfumes is the Gucci Guilty perfume. It's very dirty because I use it all the time. So it's almost gone. And I love the packaging on this perfume. Like, look at it. It just looks beautiful. Like, it's probably just gonna stay on my perfume case for a while because I just really like the packaging. And this is just that warm, sexy, I feel like it's like the perfect fall and winter scent. I don't wear this one too much in the spring and summer because it's very warm, but it has like that nice, I don't want to say woodsy, but it's just like a dark, warm scent. If you kind of think about that, it's like a strong, dark, warm scent. Like, I really like it. You don't need a whole lot of it. I feel like when I first got it, I was spraying a whole bunch of this, and Windsor would tell me, like, how much perfume did you put on? So I don't spray a whole lot of this. I'm kind of sad that it's like almost gone. If you guys can see that, it's like down to the last couple of sprays, but this one is a go-to. Like, it's definitely one of my signature scents. The next one that I wanted to mention is a favorite. It's been a favorite for a few years now. This is the Michael Kors Radiant Rose Gold perfume, and love the packaging. I'm a sucker for anything gold, and I absolutely love this fragrance. I love the fact that it's like this nice tall bottle. Michael Kors, I believe, is a little bit more affordable than some of the other perfumes that I mentioned. I believe. I'm not exactly sure. But this is like I feel like it's a very go-to scent. It's not too dark. It's not too bright and floral and light, but it's kind of somewhere in between. It's definitely that rose scent, but it's not very overpowering floral. It's not too like girly either, but it's nice. Like, you know, I feel like it's just that nice working woman scent. Like, just what I go to kind of like on a daily basis. If I don't know what other perfume that I want to wear, I go for this one, and I really, really like it. It smells really good. Again, don't know how to explain perfumes like that, but I'm just kind of telling you guys the favorite 5 that I really like. And the last one is a very new favorite. I mentioned this one a few months ago in a favorites video. This was a gift to me from my sister-in-law, and I had never really looked into Burberry scents. Like, I'm always kind of just looking into those trendy scents that, you know, everybody's kind of like talking about, but I never really thought about looking into Burberry. And this is the Burberry Weekend scent. And it is very strong. Like, this is very strong floral, and I really like it because it's something that is very overpowering. So when I want to make a statement with my perfume, like, I go for this. So you can see that it's very full, and I've used it quite a few times, and it's something that you need like one spray here and one spray maybe on your lower half of your body, and that's it. That is it, because you're going to smell this for days on your clothes because it's very strong. As soon as you spray it, people are going to know you're wearing it. It's that type of scent. But I really like it. It smells really good. I love it. I love that it has that overpowering nature. So when I want to feel very bossy, I have on like a kind of like bright color outfit. I don't think this is a dark scent, so I wouldn't wear this with a dark outfit. But if I have on like a bright color outfit, feeling very bossy, this is probably going to be the fragrance that I reach for. So again, I like to kind of like match my fragrances with my outfits and my moods. So that one is definitely for one of those bossy moods. Okay guys, so that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys got something out of this video and hope you guys try out one of these fragrances. I really enjoy filming this video for you guys. All of the information and all the fragrances that I mentioned will be linked down in the description box below, where I can find links to them. And again, check out Marshalls and TJ Maxx for any fragrances that I mentioned today in today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not, and please thumbs up this video if you want to see any more of just any fragrances that I mentioned on a favorites basis. Then I can try to remember to stick them in here and there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.